Hey, it's Tyge and Christina from Demo to Reno. Now, our current project is our son Zeph's room.
And look, this room is fine. It's just kind of bland and boring. We kind of are a little bit stuck on exactly what to do.
And the question is, do we do wallpapering or do we just stick with paint? We need to go down and see Brenda, who has helped us with our previous projects.
And get some real advice.
Brenda, it's good to see you again.
You too.
Christina now has talked me back into wallpapering, so I just thought it'd be really good to chat to you and get some ideas.
Okay, let's look at some books.
What I really want is stripes. I'm not exactly sure what kind.
That's one option there. There is another book that I'll show you as well. There's this one here.
Ooh, I like that.
Okay,
Yep.
yeah, that's definitely what we're looking for.
This feels like a wallpaper that he can grow into.
Wonderful.
This is still cool when he's a teenager.
That's the one we're gonna go for, I think.
Yeah, that's awesome. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, so we've got the paint, we've got the wallpaper, and we're ready to go. I'm gonna start sanding. Tyge's up there pulling down all the curtains so we can just get going and smash out this room.
With all the holes in the walls filled, sanded, and the walls wiped, time to add some Resene Sureseal pigment sealer before we get the wallpaper on. This is wallpaper size. From what I could read, it helps with the workability and adhesion when you're applying the wallpaper.
Okay, so now for the fun bit, the bit I've been looking forward to, the wallpaper. I have chosen this Resene beautiful stripe wallpaper. This is what wallpaper dreams are made of.
I have some wallpaper paste, 1 litre of water for 100 grams of paste powder. Pasting's all done, Christina, wallpaper.
Do not mess this up.
So we would usually use a plumb bob, but because we're starting on this straight line here, this corner, we're not gonna need it, and we're gonna be able to set our first sheet straight down here.
You got big bubbles at the top.
Yeah, babe, I'll get there. I never thought that I would be such a fan of wallpaper. Man, it makes an impact.
Obviously, applying wallpaper is a bit more of a process, but the thing that it does is completely change the room. This room now looks nothing like what it used to. So this is our son's room, and the stripes brought that really fun, bold statement that we wanted. We know that as he grows up, his decor will change around him, but the stripes will always be pretty cool.
For now, let's enjoy a job well done and a happy son.